Welcome to Unit Network. In this guide, we'll show you how to create your Unit account using either the Talisman wallet or MetaMask. Let's get started. If you don't already have it, visit the official Talisman website to install the Talisman wallet extension. Navigate to the Unit Network website to start the registration process. On the Register page, select Connect with Unit Wallet. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection with Unit or Talisman wallet. Simply confirm each step to move forward. Depending on your wallet settings, you may be asked to enter a password or complete additional verification to keep your account secure. Once your Unit or Talisman wallet is connected, you'll be logged in and ready to explore Unit Network. Similarly, to register using a MetaMask account, if you haven't already, visit the official MetaMask website to install the extension in your browser. After installing MetaMask, create a new wallet or import an existing one. Set a password and make sure to securely store your recovery phrase. Go to the Unit Network website or app to begin registration with MetaMask. On the Register page, select MetaMask Wallet. A pop-up will appear asking you to authorize the connection, confirm to continue. If you have multiple accounts in MetaMask, choose the one you want to use for Unit Network. Complete any additional steps to authenticate. Access your account once MetaMask is connected. You'll be logged in and ready to use all of Unit Network's features. And there you have it. Your Unit Network account is now ready to go. You're all set to connect, join communities, and expand your network. Welcome to Unit Network. We're excited to have you here.